everyone, welcome back to our channel. We're out on the Gold Coast again today, this time out near the Southport Seaway, just along the beach here. We're just flicking in some lures and see what we can come up with today. Sarah's using the Slim Swim motor oil. What is it? Oh wow! Ooh! Hey, I've never caught that before. That's cool, Sarah. Good job. They're so good fish. Woohoo! Sarah's caught this on the little motor oil Slim Swim. Yes! Another fish! Another fish for you on a lure. Woohoo! I've never caught one of these before either. Yeah. Yeah. So jealous, Sarah. Second fish. I'm trying to use my new lure and you use one of my old lures and get a fish. So good. Nice. Righto, Sarah. What did the damage? This little... The little Slim Swim Z-Man motor oil. I'm sticking with these. Yeah, I'm going up there. Time to change spots?
Yeah. Let's go somewhere else.
Righto, we've come to a new spot. Couldn't get any more fish over the other side, so we've been here before, but we're going to try here again. Use some lures. Sarah's very keen to get another fish now on a lure. Yep. Okay, we are on the outgoing tide here. We've caught a few brim and tarwine in this spot before, so hopefully it will produce for us today. We're time to move on. Not much happening here. Can't even lose a bait. Cole's using prawns, haven't lost anything. Sarah and I have been luring all the way along here. Have not had a nibble. Fish on, what's happening?
Looks like one of those nice drilling ones. Look at that.
Oh. That's nice.
There you go.
Pretty fish.
My ugly stick.
Your new ugly stick, like Sarah's one.
And my diver reel.
And just on prawns, hey?
Yep, on prawns.
Cool. I'm still waiting to get my line in. Finally something's having a go. Come on. Take me, little bait. Yep, finally.
Fish on.
First fish for me today. And guess what I got?
What's your favourite?
I got favourite little Moses perch. And guess what I caught it on?
What?
My little baits that I've been jigging for. Far out.
Fish on, fish on. Fish on.
Holy heck. That is one massive fish.
Nice blue eyes.
Let's have a look. Oh yeah,
What a big fish.
I know. Very cute.
nice.
Oh, yeah.
Fish on.
Yeah. I know, I only just touched the water.
Bigger Moses.
What is it?
It's something little.
It's Whittle. Here it comes.
Hey, you did too.
What the
You got
heck?
another one.
That only just touched the water.
They like you.
I know, they love me. Yep, on. Better not be a Moses. They take it really hard. Looks little to me.
Another one. Oh, that's a little bit.
Oh no. What's happening?
Tarwine, I think.
Does look like a tarwine.
Yeah.
Yeah, little tarwine. Okay, you guys, we've moved again. So we're out at the Home of the Arts, just along the rocks here, and we're going to fish here into the night and see what we can come up with. Big fatty toadfish. Don't hook onto it.
A real one. Not a big toadfish. Big toadfish is down there. Oh, that was good.
Red. Looks like a keeper from here.
Purpley.
Oh wow. That looks alright, Sarah.
Look, Dad.
Thought he was going to get me then.
Oh, he's passed.
Oh yeah,
He's passed.
he's well over. Put your tail down.
Was looking at you.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, that's good, Sarah. Okay, we're on the move up to the end. How pretty is this sky? It's beautiful. That's the winning spot. Watch me get a big fish.
I hope so. Before I get one.